Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Learn Bangla with Tinkers. Today we'll learn few most common verbs in Bangla. So let's get started. I think we all know what a verb is. A verb is a word that describes an action or a state. In Bangla, verb is known as Kriya Pod. Kriya Pod. No more grammar here, rather we will try to learn through language acquisition. In this video, I only use first person examples of Bangla verb. In the next video, I will use second person and third person respectively. Today's first verb is khai. Ami khai. Ami khai means I eat. Ami means I. Khai means eat. Ami khai means I eat. Ami bhat khai. I eat rice. Bhat is a very common Bengali food. Ami bhat khai means I eat rice. Ami burger khai means I eat burger. Ghumai is our next verb. Ghumai. Ghumai. Ami ghumai. Ami ghumai. Ami ghumai means I sleep. Ami ghumai means I sleep. Ami means I and ghumai means sleep. Sleep. Ami ghumai means I sleep. The next word is shikhi. Ami shikhi. Ami shikhi means I learn. Ami means I. Learn means shikhi. Shikhi. Look how we pronounce. Shikhi. Shikhi means learn. Ami shikhi means I learn. The next verb is puri. Ami puri means I read. Ami puri means I read. Ami means I. Puri means read. Ami puri, I read. Ami boi puri, I read book. Ami boi puri means I read book. Book means boi. Ami boi puri, I read book. Kheli is our next verb. Kheli means play. Ami kheli means I play. Ami kheli, I play. I means ami and kheli means play. Ami kheli, I play. Ami football kheli, I play football. Notice the difference between jai and chai. Jai, jaw. Chai, chaw. Jai means go, jai, and chai means want, chai. Chaw or jaw. Chaw, chai, want, jaw, jai, go. Ami chai, I want. Ami jai, I go. Dekhi is the next verb. Ami dekhi. Ami dekhi, I see. Ami dekhi, I see. Ami means I. Dekhi means see. Ami dekhi, I see. Jani is the next verb. Jani. 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 Ami jani means I know. Ami jani means I know. Ami means I, that we all know, and jani means know. Jani. Jani. Ami jani, I know. Aki is our next verb. Aki. Aki. I draw. Ami aki. Aki. It's not aki. 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 The air comes out of our nose. Ami aki. I draw. Ami chobi aki. I draw picture. Boli is the next verb. Ami boli, I say. Ami boli, I say. Ami means I, boli means say. Ami boli, I say. Kori is the next verb. Ami kori, I do. Ami kori, I do. Ami kaj kori, I do work or I work. Now let's clarify one thing. In Bangla, I do work and I work implies the same meaning. আমি কাজ করি। তাহলে আজকে আমরা শিখলাম কমন বাংলা verbs. So let's revise them together. আমি ঘুমাই, I sleep. আমি খাই, I eat. আমি পড়ি, I read. আমি যাই, I go. আমি চাই, I want. আমি জানি, I know. আমি করি, I do. আমি কাজ করি, I do work. আমি বলি, I say. আমি দেখি, I see. আমি খেলি, I play. আমি শিখি, I learn. আমি আঁকি, I draw. That's all for today. শুভ বিদায়।